Hello.
Hi.
Daughters.
We're on our way to
Yeah.
eating our dinner. Okay na. Papaya, salad.
No.
No, tomorrow. Change. Okay. Okay pa. Okay na? Enough na yan?
And tom yum and fried rice chicken and noodle pork.
Noodle. Tom yum, okay.
Okay, next one. Actually, kita pa first mo. Ito, isukla daw ni. Okay, breakfast.
Mm. Good morning. This is the day after we arrived. So like we're in Beston Pattaya Hotel right now. I'm waiting for my parents to get ready. I'm walking around the pool because I don't know where else to go. I didn't expect the food here to taste so different from the food at home, but it tastes so good. So, and then the breakfast bar is just mostly like American and Filipino food. Last night at midnight, we ate like local Thailand food. One of them was tom yum, and then fried pork noodles and chicken fried rice. Tom yum is their seafood soup. Their fried noodles tastes different from the fried noodles in the Philippines, which is wild. So I'm having fun so far. This is my first time going abroad.
Yung jewelry dito. Okay? And then, I just inform you for the Agents Gallery, we use the gold carat, maximum of 18 karat lang. So we don't have here for the bank of gold. Why? Malawak po kasi siya, hindi po siya pwedeng mag-hold with it. And then, yung mga nasa wall po, yun po yung mga iba't ibang shade of gems or packing. So, dito muna tayo para may information po kayo, no? Kasi sabi ko nga po, ang gold carat here po is 18. So, dito po tayo mga madam, sir. Tayin lang po natin yung iba para po may isang explain.
Ano ba ito, Kirkram?
Rose garden now.
Wow!
Tram. The tram is a 200 per person to sightseeing inside.
My babies. Kaya nga mga baby. Baby cactus. Ang big ng cactus nila. Sana friends ever. Is it my baby girl? My baby girls. Hala, i-steal natin ang isang elephant. Idala natin sa Davao. My friend si Mama. Yeah. Gosh. Hala, ang big nila. Ay, ang cute nila. Ang cute nila. Ang cute nila.
Bisa mag-ride ka?
Ang baby. Hala, mag-ride ba? So right now. Oh my gosh. Hala, ang big nila. Gitouch ako. Hala, ang big niya. Ang baby. Baby girl.
Thailand has engaged in wars and battles with the neighbors over the centuries. One of the great traditions of the battlefield was the king leading the troops into battle astride a mighty and highly trained elephant.
Nag-iikot sila. I love them.
Pero nag-ride ang
baby! Hello! Oh my God! Ang cute ng mga baby! Maya! Ang mga baby! Oh my God! Hala, uy, gatsin yan. Yeah. Hi, baby. Anong ginagawa ng baby? Soccer. Hey!
That timing kaya kung pagpangutang na bak may picture si Cha.
Hey!
Ah, dali na.
Bye-bye, mga baby.
Kailangan kay kanang gusto kayo dapat wala yung mga break ako. Ali tayo kay sa tamalik. Tanawa wala nang malik. O diyan ka na sa doon.
Yeah. Baby.
ครับผมด้านหน้าเป็นจุดจอดรถจุดที่หนึ่งนะครับส่วนกระถางส่วนกล้วยไม้นะครับผมถ่ายรูปด้านขวามือก่อนได้เลยนะครับ เป็นจุดแรกนะครับ ส่วนจุดที่สองคือหุบเขาไดโนเสาร์นะครับผมลูกค้าพร้อมจะไปยังจุดที่สองคือหุบเขาไดโนเสาร์ขึ้นรถคันแรกได้เลยนะครับโอเคอยู่บัต first stop station 1อยู่บัต first stop station 1 you take photo right hand side อยู่ photo right hand
Pawihon ka sa kuwan. Nakulo ng isip toso ko, di ba? Dala din ang pagkakulo. Ah, racist. Ay, ganyan. Dadato. Ay, ano? Dadato. Doon, yaw-yaw. Oh, yun o. Diyan din siya sa amin. Ay, pang-picture mo sila ha. Ipasa lang sa GC. Nice. Grab lang ni... Kami ka na no.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow, gina-carve nila.
lugar ni mo ani po kinahanglan
Kani hospitas na yun. Colorful. Lagihan deh. Pilo na to ang bato.
Nagamit ni Daddy.
Ay, pangit na siya sa picture.
Let's go. Hala, ka-cute yan. Parang pill. Ang sarap isakay eh.
Oh, drive yan siya.
Kaya nga. Kaya lang ba, they can go so fast na maka-spontaneously combust ang driver.
Oh, really?
Hala, may monkey.
Yan yun.
Yeah.
Exactly yung ano. Yan, oh, tsaka yan. Kunan mo yan, oh. Tudlo ba? Asa mo mali? Asa mo mali?
Ayaw ka na.
Ay, kwan pala. Sabi na kung sagwan. Kwan pala, safe lang. Bago patas mo. Gaano kalalim to?
Malalim.
Ha? Ay, dili ang nagapalit, no?
Hindi.
Ito ka murag. Thailand sa Pattaya. Let's try.
Ay, sorry. Mami.
Yeah, sa may kalainan.
The same lang?
Mas creamy man ito ah.
Mas maganda sa Davao.
No?
Yung mas masarap sa Davao.
Hala,
creamy lang.
Philippines.
Yung puyat ba, mas lami. Tamis kay siya.
Crocodile barbecue.
How much?
May tutsin eh.
50 baht.
50. Chick.
Ang masarap ang milk eh.
Malas spice. So, saan tayo? Which one? Ito? Or this one?
Barbecue?
Ano? Very good or this?
Same, same. Which one daw?
Spicy.
Do it siya.
Yeah. Crafted at.
O, 10 minutes na lang eh.
Na-pay mo na, Daddy? Thank you. Daddy, eat ma. It's good. Please don't catch.
Langsa lagi.
Crocodile man.
Ang water na
Siya tingin din siya.
Slay. Ang cute. My closet. And my little window. Wall window next to the little desk with the little chair and the little flowers. Real.
Alam, gusto ko
Ang cute.